Dr. Richard Jacoby is a doctor on a mission. For many years, he has dedicated his life to understanding and healing pain. His journey did not start with complex cells or advanced labs. It began with people. He saw patients who were suffering, often with little hope. They had nerve pain, which is, honestly, a difficult and constant problem. This type of pain can come from many sources, like diabetes or injuries. Dr. Jacoby felt a strong desire to find better answers for these individuals. He knew the standard treatments were not always enough. He wanted to do more than just manage symptoms. He wanted to find a way to truly heal the underlying cause of the pain. His early career was focused on the foot and ankle. As a podiatrist, he treated many common ailments, but he quickly noticed a connection that many others missed. He saw how problems in the feet were often linked to the nerves. A patient might come in with a simple foot problem, but the real issue was a nerve that was being squeezed or damaged. This observation was a turning point. It pushed him to look beyond the bones and muscles. He started to focus on the intricate network of nerves that control feeling and movement. This new focus set him on a path to become a pioneer in nerve surgery and treatment. Dr. Jacoby realized that to help his patients fully, he needed to become an expert in the nervous system. He saw firsthand how nerve compression could lead to debilitating pain, numbness, and weakness. Imagine, if you will, a garden hose that is being stepped on. The water just cannot flow freely. Nerves are similar. When they are compressed, the signals cannot travel correctly. This is what causes the burning, tingling, and pain that so many people experience. Dr. Jacoby made it his life's work to find ways to unstep on that hose, to relieve the pressure on the nerves and allow the body to begin its natural healing process. This deep-seated motivation to solve the puzzle of nerve pain is what really defines Dr. Jacoby's career. He was not satisfied with the existing explanations or treatments. He questioned everything and was always searching for a better way. This curiosity led him to explore new ideas and techniques from all over the world. He understood that to make a real difference, he had to be both a skilled surgeon and a relentless investigator. His journey shows us how a doctor's compassion for his patients can fuel a lifelong quest for scientific discovery and medical innovation, ultimately changing the lives of countless people. No doctor achieves greatness alone. They stand on the shoulders of giants who came before them. For Dr. Jacoby, two of these giants were Dr. Lee Dellon and Dr. John Cook. Dr. Dellon is a world-renowned expert in peripheral nerve surgery. He developed groundbreaking techniques for decompressing nerves, much like the procedures used for carpal tunnel syndrome in the wrist. Dr. Jacoby trained extensively with Dr. Dellon, learning his precise methods. This training was crucial. It gave him the surgical skills to physically free trapped nerves and provide immediate relief to his patients. He learned to see the body as a complex system of interconnected pathways. While Dr. Dellon taught him the how of nerve surgery, Dr. John Cook, a distinguished professor from Stanford University, taught him the why of vascular health. Dr. Cook is an expert on nitric oxide, a simple molecule with a powerful job. It helps blood vessels relax and open up, which improves blood flow. Good blood flow is essential for healing. It brings oxygen and nutrients to damaged tissues, including nerves. Dr. Jacoby learned from Dr. Cook that you cannot fix a nerve without also fixing its blood supply. This was a critical piece of the puzzle. It connected the world of surgery with the world of cellular health. This combination of knowledge was powerful. Dr. Jacoby could now approach a patient's problem from two different angles. He could surgically relieve the pressure on a nerve, and at the same time, he could work to improve the blood flow that the nerve needed to repair itself. This dual approach was unique. It went beyond what most doctors were doing at the time. He was not just treating a single symptom, he was treating the entire environment around the nerve. This holistic view, shaped by his mentors, became a cornerstone of his practice and set the stage for his future discoveries. The lessons from Dr. Dellon and Dr. Cook gave Dr. Jacoby a solid foundation. He had the surgical skills of a nerve specialist and the deep understanding of a vascular biologist. This unique combination of expertise allowed him to see connections that others might have missed. He understood that a healthy nerve needs both space to function and a rich supply of blood to thrive. This comprehensive understanding was the perfect launching pad for his next great leap forward, a leap that would take him into the revolutionary world of stem cell science and regenerative medicine. Dr. Jacoby's quest for better healing methods eventually led him to another brilliant mind, Dr. Neil Reardon. Dr. Reardon is a true pioneer in the field of stem cell research. He has spent decades studying how these special cells work and how they can be used to repair the human body. Dr. Jacoby learned from Dr. Riordan that stem cells are the body's own master repair crew. Think of them as blank building blocks. They have the amazing ability to become many different types of cells, like nerve cells, skin cells, or muscle cells. This means they can potentially rebuild tissues that have been damaged by injury or disease. What are stem cells exactly? Let's make it simple. Every person has stem cells in their body. They are most abundant when we are very young, but we keep some throughout our lives. Their main job is to replace old or damaged cells. When you get a cut, stem cells are called to the area to help create new skin. Dr. Jacoby realized that this natural healing power could be harnessed. He learned that by concentrating these cells and directing them to an area of injury, like a damaged nerve, you could significantly boost the body's ability to heal itself. It is like sending a team of expert construction workers directly to a building site. This collaboration with Dr. Riordan was transformative. Dr. Jacoby began to combine his knowledge of nerve decompression and vascular health with the incredible potential of stem cell therapy. His approach became even more complete. First, he would surgically create space for the nerve, relieving the physical pressure. Second, he would work to improve blood flow to the area. And now, third, he could introduce stem cells to actively rebuild and repair the damaged nerve tissue. This three-part strategy was a major breakthrough. It offered a new level of hope for patients with chronic nerve pain, especially those with diabetic neuropathy. This new frontier of medicine is incredibly exciting. It moves beyond just managing symptoms. It aims for true regeneration. For patients with diabetes, this is life-changing. Diabetes often damages both blood vessels and nerves, especially in the feet. This can lead to pain, numbness, and even amputation. By using stem cells, Dr. Jacoby found a way to help the body fight back against this damage. He was not just putting a bandage on the problem, he was giving the body the tools it needed to rebuild from the inside out, offering a chance at real, long-lasting healing. Dr. Jacoby's work is not confined to one clinic or one country. His search for knowledge and his desire to help people have taken him all over the world. He has worked and shared his expertise in places as diverse as Philadelphia, Taiwan, and Arizona. This global experience has enriched his understanding and allowed him to see how different health challenges affect people in different parts of the world. In Taiwan, for example, he gained valuable insights into how diet and lifestyle can impact nerve health. This international perspective makes his approach to healing even more comprehensive and culturally aware. To share his knowledge with a wider audience, Dr. Jacoby has also become an author. He wrote books like Sugar Crush to explain the dangerous connection between sugar, diabetes, and nerve damage in simple terms. He wanted everyone, not just doctors, to understand how high sugar levels create inflammation and slowly destroy the body's nerves and blood vessels. His books are a call to action. They empower people with the knowledge they need to protect their own health. By explaining complex science in an easy-to-understand way, he is bringing the power of prevention directly to the public. Today, all of this experience, training, and innovation comes together at his clinic in Scottsdale, Arizona. Here, he and his team are at the forefront of regenerative medicine. They use the latest science to create personalized treatment plans for each patient. The clinic is more than just a place for surgery. It is a center for healing. They combine nerve decompression, vascular therapies, and cutting-edge stem cell treatments to tackle complex problems. The goal is always the same: to reduce pain, restore function, and give patients their lives back. This is where theory becomes reality. The future of medicine is about harnessing the body's own incredible power to heal. Dr. Richard Jacoby is a leader in this movement. His journey from a podiatrist focused on feet to a global pioneer in regenerative nerve medicine is a testament to his vision and dedication. By learning from the best, combining different fields of science, and never losing sight of his patients' needs, he has created a new path forward. His work offers hope where there was once none, showing us that with the right knowledge and tools, the body can achieve remarkable feats of repair and renewal.